classroom, reading a PDF file. They can interactive play on a mobile device. Now in Unity, there's another way also. You can make games, make money of that, service games. But we have also called the Asset Store. The Asset Store is like an app store, where you can sell or buy 3D objects, scripts, extensions. So some of our community members have written like a 2D sprite management tool to make 3D games. Well, some of those people in the top 10 are making $20,000, $30,000 a month. This is a huge income, written by individuals or 2 to 3 people together. Like in Brazil, one of our community members in Brazil wrote Sprite tools. Okay. Now, you can sell and store too. You can make 3D contents and sell it there or scripts. Sometimes I meet students who wrote a little game and they sell a game on there, or I made a 3D model. And I make maybe sometimes $500, $2,000 a month. But as a student, $2,000 a month, and nobody can do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, PowerPoint is over, no more PowerPoint. Let's talk a bit about, hey, let's make a game together. Okay. So first I'm going to explain the layout and the structure of Unity in this. And then what we're going to do is make a little simple shooting game where we walk around and we're going to shoot objects. Okay, bang, bang, bang. You see particles, you see animations, you see 3D models, skybox, and landscape. Okay. After that, we make that, and then I'm going to take it out and show you how I use pro features to make like a real amazing game. Okay, like to optimize it more. Some of our community members have made amazing games with the free version. And later on, when they want to extend it or make it bigger, they want to have some more optimization tools, and then they got the pro version. Okay, before I start hands-on, are there any questions about Unity? No technical questions, okay, because it's the technical side. Are there any more questions about philosophy? No? Okay. Later on, I'm going to give you my contact information, then you can email me or ask me for parties or going out, so we're talking about this. Okay. Okay. First I'm going to just show you, explain you the layout a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to start step by step. I know that some people in the audience who know very good Unity, so feel free to help the people who have problems or are beginners. Okay. So this is Unity, and I opened that. Let me get some of the Hindi. What we see is here the 3D model. If you download Unity for the first time, this will be the scene you get. Okay? And I'm going to press the play button to see the result. Display. What I see here, this viewport. Okay? I can play my game. Okay, before I continue, I'm going to tell you how I teach. I teach a little bit in a strange way that most people are used to it. I use violence. No. What I do is I teach, I will show a few steps. And it's best for you to just look at the screen, okay, and then you're going to do the steps. Because a lot of people, when they teach, young teachers, what they do is click this, and click this, and they forget about the audience. Or they click, I click this, and you did this. I click this, you did this. The problem is, afterwards, you will not remember a workflow. What you want is that when you leave this room, then you come home and then you start to make a game. Because teaching step by step, we call that teaching buttons. That's not important. I can teach my daughter also click that button, click that button. But if I can tell her, do you remember those last 10 steps? No. So that's what I want to teach. So we're going to say, show this, just watch that on my screen, and then I'm going to say, you can do it. Okay? And that way, you're going to practice. So I have, the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to make sure we have all the same layout in Unity. Because can look at the screen. I know I'm good looking, but the screen is more important. I'm just kidding. So, Windows, layout, 2x3. This is my game viewport. Now when I press the Alt to the leftmost button, I can orbit there. I can scroll to zoom out, zoom in. Okay. And I can press Alt and middle mouse, and I can pan. So I can look at the screen. Okay. When I press play, I see the final result here, and I can play a game. If you don't know how to play a game, you have a huge issue. I think this job might not be for you. So I'm going to go in with my character. Okay, I'm going to shoot a little bit. Okay. And I can play for all day the game. So, this menu lists everything what's in this viewport. This menu lists everything what we're going to import. It's like a flash your library. Repeat. Who has a 3D background? Only a few. Who is a programmer background? Okay. Okay. So this is like the project in Maya to Snack or in library in Flash. And when I click on an object, I see the properties. Okay. What I'm going to do is just going to quickly recap. Windows, layout 2x3. I see my game viewport, Alt and leftmost button to orbit, Alt and middle mouse to move, scroll to zoom out. This is my final result. I press play to see it. I always stop playing when I want to work. Don't keep playing. When I select an object, I see the properties. When I double click on it, I zoom in. You gonna try that? Okay, I'm gonna give you a minute or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Just try this. I orbit in your scene, move, press play, stop the game, select an object, and look in the inspector. Okay.